To solve this equation, we're going to keep the 4 square root of x on the left and move this to the left, make it minus 2 square root of x. On the right, keep the 12 and then move this 2 over, make it minus 2. If you have 4 square root of x minus 2 square root of x, you have 2 square root of x left. 12 minus 2 is 10. Divide the 10 by 2 and come up with a value of 5. Square both sides to come up with x equals 25. To solve this equation, we're going to keep this where it's at. Move this over and change the operation. Keep this where it's at. Move this over, change the operation. Negative 3 square root of x plus 1 square root of x is negative 2 square root of x. Negative 12 plus 4 is negative 8. Divide the negative 8 by negative 2 and come up with 4. So then you're going to have to square both sides to come up with x equals 16. Our first move is to leave negative square root of x on the left and move this negative 2 square root of x to the left and change the operation. On the right side, 6 stays, but the minus 1 goes over and becomes plus 1. Simplify the left to get square root of x and the right to get 7. Square both sides, and that will give us x equals 49. Keep the 6 square root of x on the left, move this over with it, and change the operation. Keep the 30 on the right and move this over, change the operation. Simplify the left to get 3 square root of x, and on the right you'll have an 18. Divide the 18 by the 3 from the left and get a 6. To get x by itself, you must square both sides to get x equals 36.